So as you can see, this is the mock-up of what we're going to have in here, and we're going to carpet this side, we're going to attach the carpet on that side, and then we're going to have this in place. And this board is removable, so if we ever have to get to the wires, or Clyde has to get to the wires, to get to the wires. I don't want to glue carpet over the wires or anything like that. I don't think that's good business, but we're going to attach this, trying to decide whether or not I'm going to Velcro it, but I'm leaning towards actually screwing it in place. But these are how things evolve, but I think it really cleans things up under there and gives it a nice finishing touch, and on top of that it's serviceable. So on your projects, think about those things. Sometimes, you know, a simple way out would just be to slap some glue on there, run the carpet over it. That's all great until you have a problem. So that's what we've been working on, and I hope you all like it. Thanks. Okay. So, here we are, under the excellent tutelage of Hugh. We're able to put in some gas shocks. Here we go. Check that out. And then, like that. Just in case you didn't get it the first time. Very nice. We just went for it. We didn't watch no videos for this. The instructions were kind of crappy. In fact, they were non-existent. So what you figured out, so if you don't get this right, call you, don't call me. You have to kind of have them laid down. You can't have it jacked back here or else it won't close. So you kind of stretch it out and then bring it backwards as far as you can. But
you want a gentler angle.
You want a gentler angle. There you go. The other thing is, make sure we had to countersink these. I don't know why they didn't pre-countersink them, but we had to countersink them. So if you put any in, they don't come countersink, you're probably going to countersink them. If not, the heads of the bolts are going to stop it from closing. So yeah, this is all the last-minute detail work that takes a lot of time. So we've been working pretty hard on this morning, getting this all put back together. Everybody here is really happy. Actually, everybody that's worked on this is really happy. We've got the front fascia on now permanently. So we've still got to do a detail job. So don't be writing no damn crap down. Am I allowed to say crap? Okay.
I don't know about damn.
Okay. Don't be, okay, bleep out the words you're not supposed to use. But don't be giving me grief because it's not 100% clean yet. Alright? That's Hugh's job at the end, not mine. Because we've got to clean up the dash and everything. It's going to be spotless by the time we get through. So, it looks like our stuff is dry. Go check it, Hugh. Hugh's going to do a discount double check.
Feels dry to me.
Okay. So now we're going to put we have to have some standoffs for our cover. And our cover's got missing. So we have to have some standoffs for the cover. So the two small guys are going to get under here and install all of those. And then we're going to put this on. We'll clean this all up. Michael did get under here and install the carpet. I don't know what you was doing, what Michael was working for anyway. Please check out Hugh's jig video.
Put a lot of work into that, okay?
Okay.
Do you just want to do a quick summary on what the jig video is about?
Jig videos, what a jig is. Jigs I throw, the weight, sizes, color, rod,
Okay, enough.
Alright, that's enough.
Okay,
That's enough.
Shameless self-promotion there by you.
Fishing.
It would be, hey, if you guys could go check out his YouTube, he's probably going to qualify for the elites this year. I'm not trying to jinx it, but this kid knows a lot about fishing.
Well, if he doesn't, we're not letting him back in the building.
Yeah.
No pressure there, Hugh.
Yeah. All right.
I've been working one-on-one with him, and I'm going to tell you, he now can park his truck in a straight line. So I guarantee he's going to do well at this fishing tournament, all right? Because once you get parking down in a parking lot, fishing is not a problem. Okay, so quick update before I head to the house. And been a really good day. We've got a lot accomplished, all three of us working together, which is always good. He's being a little grumpy this afternoon. I think he must have caught it from me. I don't know what the deal is there, but anyway. So we got the what are these things called?
Struts.
Struts. Got 2 gas struts in. We bonded our top down right here. Bonded our top. We've still got to put the fascia in here. I've got to modify that. We put the fascia on the back side here. We screwed the decorative thing on the inside here, which is, and this closes super nice. Still got to vacuum everything. Then under here, I don't know if we need that, but anyway, we've got the fascia on, we put the carpet on. We had to move, this is the reason why probably Hugh's upset, is I had to move his klaxon, okay? His klaxon had to be moved. I tried hard to work around it, but I couldn't, but that's probably the reason why he's being very difficult, is because I had to move his klaxon over here out of the way, because we couldn't get the cover on, or I was going to have to put a big hole in the cover, and I didn't want to do that. So, sorry Hugh, the klaxon had to be moved. I know you're personally attached to the klaxon, but these things have to be done. So, really excited. They're going to be installing a couple of rod holder thingamabobs. We just got through discussing that installation, and we are winding this down fast. Still a lot of cleaning and backing and all that stuff. Got to put the seats in, and then I'm going to be working on where the cup holders are going. And then that's it.